Hello, my name is Emma Deuce. I am a high school math teacher at Van Wert. Currently, I am teaching algebra, geometry, applied geometry, and algebra 2. Most of my classes are all ran about the same way with slight differences here and there. This year I tried something new. I'm going to start doing a working agreement with my students at the beginning of the year. So instead of me just presenting them with a bunch of rules that they need to follow, I present them with topics that I want to cover, some non-negotiables that I say it has to be this way. But then I ask for their input on what consequences should be or what the policy should be on certain things. So for example, I say, I don't want any cell phones out in class. That's my rule, that's a non-negotiable, but I have the students write on sticky notes, put on the board what they think the consequence should be if they have their cell phone out. And I do that with being late and being disrespectful in class as well. And then I also have them use their sticky notes to vote and decide a policy on having headphones in their ear during class, and food and drink, and there was something else. But anyways, so we make that working agreement together the first 2 or 3 days of school, and then I type it up, print them off. Each kid gets their own copy, and then we all sign one copy, each class. First period has a copy, second period has a copy, and so on, and we all sign a class contract, and I have them hanging up in my room. That list is sent to the principals so they know what my rules are, and each student has a copy. I email the copy to the parents, and it's also posted on the Echo landing page. So if you ever have questions about the rules and stuff like that, it's in the working agreement on Echo. Students have it. You can email me, ask me for it. You can get it. Supplies needed for all my classes would be like a binder and binder and pencil, or notebook in a folder. Algebra 1 needs just a binder, no paper in it, just a binder. Calculator, pencil. Geometry and algebra 2, they need a binder with paper in it, or they need a notebook and a folder. The calculator should be a TI-30X2S, scientific one. I believe all the students get a red one in junior high with their school fees, so they should all have one. But if they don't, you can get it at Walmart, I think like $12 maybe. If algebra 2, they can have a graphing calculator, anything above a TI-84. This one works for algebra 2, but graphing calculator, they could benefit from it. We do some stuff with it, but I have a class set for us to do that stuff with it. So it's not a big deal. They can still use this one. I strongly encourage all the students to reach out to me to get help during pause, before or after school. They're more than welcome to email me anytime, ask questions about homework or questions on the content at all. They have plenty of chances to come to me. I try to get them to do that. I try not to initiate it because they're in high school, and I try to get them to be responsible for their own learning. So if you have any questions about that, you're more than welcome to email me, e_deuce@vwcs.net. Other than that, the grading and all that is a little different for each class, and I'm more than welcome to discuss it if you would email me. Thank you.